morning, good evening, good afternoon, everybody that's watching right now. I really want to take this opportunity to thank everybody that has liked us, has subscribed to us, that has watched all our videos and shared. I really appreciate you guys, and please keep pushing these videos so that everybody else can see. And if you're a new person on the channel today, please make sure you subscribe and make sure you turn on that notification bell so you do not miss anything that we're going to put up. And by the way, liking the video is also very important because it will help us beat the YouTube algorithm so we can actually be able to bring you amazing episodes like this one we are going to give you today. Today I just decided, you know, let's just do something normal but something unusual at the same time. We're going to do a little bit of farming on this channel, inspirational work here on the channel. And today I brought you a very weird story. Not very weird, you might think, but if you think about it, not so many people would really want to do this. So today we are into poultry farming. We're going to do a little bit about poultry today, but this is not just poultry. This is a different kind of poultry. This is a farm where they do only local indigenous chicken. Can you imagine? They don't do broilers, they don't do croilers, they don't do layers. They just focus on local chickens. And we're going to know the whole story of how a local chicken is born, how it's raised, and how it is eaten. We might end up eating as well, you know? So stick to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like the video. Today we are at a fantastic farm. It's called the Baruwama. Mr. Ruwama, so this is my big man. How are you, Papa? Fine. Hey, they don't just call us all Zoom.
Nsoko kubebaza otunoonyako kuba gye tuli wala nnyo muyise mu makubo agatali malungi ne mubeera nga mututuukako naye tubeebaza okuba nga mutulaga abantu bonna okumanya nti kisoboka.
Enkoko enganda.
Yes, enkoko enganda eno, enkoko ennansi, buli omu gyali enkoko nnansi gyali. Nti enkoko eno twagiteekako obudde bungi ne tugitegeera. Bwe twamala ogitegeera twagala tugitegeese n'abo abatulaba nti enkoko eno kisoboka ekula. Kuba abantu abamanyi enkoko ennansi bagamba tekula. Naye enkoko eno kisoboka.
Batugamba erwawo.
Yes. Nti enkoko eno lwaki bagamba nti yali erwawo nti okula. Kyali bwe kiti nga bwe tulunda enkoko tetufaayo kunootinga. Enkoko eno bagizadde ddi? Enkoko eno erina bbanga ki? Wabula nga bakubuza enkoko eyo ya bbanga ki? Ng'ogamba nti myezi 5 mwaka gumu naye ng'oluusi tennaba kubiweza kuba tetwanootinganga. Kati naye bwe twateekawo enkola eno ey'okubeera nga tusobola okwaluza enkoko omutwalo oba 1000 oba 1500 tusobola okuwa enkoko zo 5 bw'ozitwala ojja kumanya nzifunye ennaku z'omwezi bwe ziti. Ojja kusobola okugoberera, ojja kulaba ng'enkoko ye ey'emyezi 4 nga lubigi wali owooma.
Wow.
Nze twakuumanga likodi.
Wow. There was never record keeping before the local chickens. Basically, you just let them loiter, eat what they want, and you would actually keep a chicken for like 2 years before you even eat it. But these guys have figured out a way of raising local indigenous chicken, and you can actually have them in the shortest time possible. Like 6 months, the chicken is ready.
Yes.
Wow. But today, we are going to find out why you should go local. Why you should keep only indigenous chicken, not these imported ones, the broilers, croilers. There are some farms I've gone to, but before you enter, also okay, there are biosecurity. One or biosecurity.